Merry Christmas, everyone. Hey guys, this is Rima and Merry Christmas, everyone. I know that most of you have already watched other creators doing Vlogmas, but I thought of doing something different, like doing a farewell 2025 in which I'll be like posting videos every single day for 7 days until the new year. And I was kind of surprised by the results. Like, I thought you all won't be interested, but I guess I was wrong and you all proved me wrong. If you are seeing this right now, this is episode 1 and we are going to bake some delicious brownie for my family and it's Christmas special. So yeah, I know like this is not the content I usually do. I don't bake at all. Like, it's just kind of a hobby and I do it when I'm like stressed. But today I'm going to do it because it's Christmas and everyone celebrates it with their family and friends. So I thought of like baking. I'm going to bake after we have breakfast. My mom is making downstairs kilo chutpati. I'll just show you all after this intro. But yeah, from today till 31st of December, you will be seeing me every single day. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are willing to see. And I usually do study vlogs on this channel, so you can also check it out if you are lacking motivation. And I know the year end procrastination season, I know, I've been there, I am there. So yeah, let's start today's vlog. My hair looks so bad. Okay, so I'm in my kitchen right now. I need to quickly clean up all the mess around so I can start baking. So I'm just going to clean this up and then catch up with you all.
2,000 years later.
So I've set it up everything. Now I'm going to start baking. Not baking. First I need to melt butter and chocolate. So I'm going to do that first. Okay, I just microwaved it for yet another 10 seconds. And now the consistency is good. Now I'm going to add in all the other ingredients. So yeah, let's continue. All-purpose flour, okay, I think it's done. Just need to milk. Okay, so batter turned out pretty good. Like, this is better than the last time I made. Last time I made a brownie with Oreo. Yes. This one turned out pretty good. I'm so happy about it. Yeah. Okay, I need to prepare the baking dish. I have parchment paper as well. I found it. I found a parchment paper. Okay, let's just talk about academics for a while. Not me greasing it with my hands. I already washed my hands before doing this, so don't judge me right now. Don't judge me. I'm going to add this. My baking dish is ready. I think the batter is a bit too much. Ta-da, ta-da. Now I'm going to add this in the microwave. It turned out pretty cute. Let's just hope it tastes good. Okay. Now I'll let this rest for like a good amount of time, like 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll do the taste test. Perfect. Now I'm going to let my family try this. Let's get the reaction. Lala.
CHIRSTMAS.
Costa. Costa. Last bite. Okay, my final take from this recipe was that it was kind of on the drier side. I would agree with that. Maybe it's because I used gliss batter. I don't know. I'll try it next time. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed episode 1. Make sure to subscribe for the next episode, which will drop tomorrow at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Bye bye.